China is building a dam without humans. Shocking, right? You will be more surprised to know how they are building this huge dam without humans. China is using artificial intelligence and 3D printing to build the 180-meter tall extended Yangao Dam on the Yellow River in Tibet. It will be the world's largest 3D robot printing project. But what is 3D printing? 3D printing converts digital model into real-life objects through AI without any need of human worker. The benefit of using this is, first, it eliminates human error, and secondly, it involves less cost and is time-saving. How will China use this technology? Central AI system will be used to monitor a fleet of driverless trucks to deliver construction material to the work site, after which unmanned bulldozers, pavers and rollers will turn materials into a layer of the dam, and the sensor in them will keep the AI system informed about the firmness and stability of each of the 3D printed layers. And this way, the construction will go on. Is 3D printing infra the future? Last year, a foldable bridge was 3D printed in Shanghai. Also, India is using 3D printing in military and building construction. What are your views on this? Let us know in the comment section below.